Braadkyaas Jamiekan now give the news in the Jamaican language.
Wagwan, this is Kadeen Marshall and me give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, let me give the headlines. Come October 15, taximan who fully vaccinated or take one joke can get $2,500 free gas. People can't go stadium Sunday for watch the World Cup match. Jackie still in a lockup in the Netherlands. Make sure you follow our YouTube page Braadkyaas Jamiekan for hear more news and like the video after you done listen. Now for the news. The Ministry for Transport and Mining I work with Johnson Petroleum and United Petroleum to get the 341 taximan who fully vaccinated or just take one joke $2,500 worth of free gas. Them said this Tuesday gone forget the number of taximan them who take the vaccine for go up. But them a start on October 15 for 1 month or it might go longer if them no reach the number what them want. The taximan them who can get the free gas are the one them who fully vaccinated or take the one-shot Johnson & Johnson vaccine or who get the first dose of the AstraZeneca or Pfizer vaccine. Forget the gas, the taximan them have to have the right ID and want up-to-date road license and badge. Robert Montague, or the Minister for Transport and Mining, said the government will work with the private sector place them to get people fully vaccinated to stop the spread of the coronavirus so things can go back to normal. People who love football now can go to the National Stadium this Sunday, October 10, for watch Jamaica and Canada play. According to Desmond McKenzie, or the Minister for Local Government, the government are trying to keep one tight grip against the spread of the coronavirus so no big crowd can their stadium. Him said the government can't make no big gathering go on cause no one know the time for that. So nobody, whether them vaccinated or not, nah their stadium for watch no ball game. On top of that, him said Sunday when the match a play, I want no movement there. One teacher from St. Elizabeth in a hospital after somebody cut her throat Tuesday night. The police said them know about the matter, but them can't give out no more information yet. 2 gunmen dead and another one in a hospital are back up alive after some gunman been in a one shootout right on McCarthy Street and Arch Street in a downtown Montego Bay, St. James yesterday afternoon. According to reports, one of the car where the gunman them did in a crash in a one supermarket. One taxi crashed in the car after that. The police block off enough road where the shooting go on and say them are looking at what happened. Reggae singer Jackie still in a police lockup in the Netherlands after them charge him for try kill somebody and for beat up somebody. Him go court Tuesday gone and the judge say he must stay in a lockup for 14 days while the police are looking at what go on. Some report as a Jackie stabbed Ricardo Papa who run Blake's Root Vibes promotion in Belly in Amsterdam. This one some days after Jackie performed at the popular concert Hall and Culture Center, Melkweg as part-time European tour. People, I just remember when I said the curfew around from 8 p.m. tonight and done 5 a.m. My name Kadeen Marshall and that are the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just give the news in the Jamaican language.